So hi guys, welcoming you all back to yet another video of Twinkie Gaming guys. Guys, welcome back. I am back with another video guys. I need until 250. Guys, I went to the second career guys. The path drive to win. Guys, even BMW will be unlocked next guys. Guys, first let's first complete these guys. Guys, I am playing now not Clash Dynamics guys. Guys, I am playing Muzzle Race guys. Let's go guys. Guys, if you are new to this place, subscribe to Twinkie Gaming for more daily videos guys. Guys, even please subscribe my brother Harsha Gaming for everyday daily Free Fire videos guys. He is a nice Free Fire player and a diamond player guys. And he will be making live today night at 9 PM guys. So please subscribe to Twinkie Gaming guys and even Harsha Gaming for Free Fire videos. I'll keep the link in description guys. Today I'll be keeping his link in description guys, so don't miss it guys. Please subscribe to Harsha Gaming for Free Fire videos and keep a like for my videos guys. If you like this video, please like it.
Hello guys, this is Harsha Gaming. Today I am watching my bro Twinkie Gaming's gameplay on Asphalt 9.
Okay guys, let's go. That is my bro Harsha's watch guys. He is a nice YouTuber. Guys, I am playing with my new car. Chevrolet. Guys, because of that, guys, I am at the last place. And then, guys, I updated this car completely. If you want to see that update, you can see in this video. For now, I am at guys, there's still more race, so we could play slowly. And for now, I am at the first place, guys. We should be in the place that guys, we need to be quick as the other races are on their way. Guys, again I have got another shot here, guys. Let's go guys. Let's guys, 83% of the race is completed, so I need to go very quickly from now onwards. Guys, but the first also there is a racer who is going very quickly. I need to cross him. Guys, the finish line has arrived. I need to go very quickly, guys. Guys, won the second place, guys. Guys, won the second place. Okay, no problem. We'll try it again, guys. If I win this, I can win a blueprint for Ferrari car, guys. Guys, let's play again. Guys, I have got 4 tokens, guys. So I got 223 tokens, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to Twinkie Gaming for more every daily videos, guys. I'm an Asphalt 9 player. So guys, let's play this race again.
Guys, if you don't know, me and Twinkie Gaming are a team in Free Fire. He is supposed to play nice. If you want to see Twinkie Gaming play Free Fire,
Guys, if you want me to play Free Fire, then I need 10 million followers like Ajay, guys. And then I will start playing Free Fire. Guys, you can even follow me in Instagram. I'll keep the link in description, guys, or in the comment page. Guys, you can. Guys, today I'll be keeping Harsha Gaming's link in description, guys. So please follow and go through the link, guys. Guys, he has Instagram, guys. first you see in the Instagram as Harsha Gaming and Twinkie Gaming, guys. Harsha Gaming official and Twinkie Gaming official in Instagram, guys. Harsha Gaming is a Free Fire player. Okay guys, first let's win this race. Waiting for the nitro so that I will go. Let's boost like a bullet, guys. Let's go. So now we are in this 5th place, guys. I'm not done. But even we have used the software. We need to be very quick, guys. Guys, we are at the 2nd place. Let's go, guys. Guys, he is coming very quickly at the back other races. So we need to go in a very quick time. Guys, he has crossed me. Still we are at the 1st place, guys. Guys, he is crossing us, so we need to be very quick, guys. 2 members have come, guys. Another couple. 2 of them at the same time. We are going very quickly, guys. Let's knock them. Move from the middle. Knockdown. But we are at the 1st place, guys. I'm going in a very quick time than the other man. Let's go, guys. Still do 3 guys. Guys, now we're gonna win this race. Guys, now we're gonna win this race. And won the race, guys. Guys, we have won the race. We have won the 1st place, guys. And so that now I can win the blueprint for a Ferrari car, guys. I have got 4 blueprints, but I need 35 blueprints to win that car. And I have 223 tokens, guys. If I get 250, I will create a club named Twinkie Gaming, guys. Guys, this is finished. So now I will be playing Class C Novice race. Guys, I am playing Class C Novice with this car. Last 3 races are left for today, guys. After this, I will be playing only 2 races, guys, for today. From morning, I have played many races today, guys. You can see those races. I have already uploaded in YouTube. So subscribe Twinkie Gaming for more daily videos, guys. But don't even forget to subscribe Harsha Gaming for more Free Fire videos. If you also play Free Fire and Asphalt 9, for Asphalt 9 you can subscribe Twinkie Gaming, and for Free Fire videos you can subscribe Harsha Gaming, guys. Also subscribe in Instagram, guys, as Harsha Gaming Official and Twinkie Gaming Official. Okay, guys, I need to win this race. Let's go. Okay, guys, I got some nitro. We are at the back 8. Now let's go very quickly. Still at the 6th place. 4th place, guys. Guys, factory are going very quickly. Knockdown, guys. So now we are at the 3rd place and still use the nitro. Guys, now we are at the 2nd place. Another knockdown, guys. Guys, now I am at the 1st place, guys. I have gone very quickly and so played very smoothly, guys. Guys, the first man is still. I need to go. Still I am at the 1st place, guys. Now 2nd place. Yeah, guys, I am crossing. I'm coming. Very quickly, guys. I knocked him, guys. I have knocked him down. I am going very quickly, guys, until now. And I want to make this race. Very quickly. A nitro. Guys, I am gone in the race. Going very quickly. Guys, you can see where are the other races, guys? They are not in the way, guys. Guys, I'm about to complete the race and completed the race, guys. Guys, if you like this video, you can like the button and don't forget to subscribe to Inky Gaming and click that side bell button. Guys, I have got another two tokens, guys. I have completed 100 races in Asphalt 9, guys. It is my 100th race and I have won it. Guys, I have 225. I need 25 more tokens to create a club, guys. While creating a club, I will make a video, guys, so that any of my fan can join. Guys, last two races of today. Last two races, guys. I am playing with this car, guys. The same car with which I have won the before race. But my star car in this game is up to now BMW, guys. I have played before races with it as well, and I got this car today only, guys. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to Inky Gaming for more videos and don't forget to like it and click on the bell button so that you will get notification whenever I have posted a video. Okay guys, first let's finish this race. Oh, there are nice players, guys. Okay guys, let's go. So now we are at the last place, guys. But now we are at the 5th place, now 3rd place, and now we're gonna go to near the 1st place. Guys, we have gone to the 1st place immediately, but there are many other players coming quickly to me. Now we are at the 2nd place, guys. Now at the 1st, and we're gonna accelerate very quickly to go still front. Guys, our place is taken away, but now we're gonna take that place back again for me. We're gonna take that metro. I am at the 1st place at the present, guys. Guys, many members came. I gonna make them. Right now I'm going to the 4th place, guys. More than half of 60% race is completed, guys. I'm gonna use metro and go very quickly north now. I'm not done. Very quickly. First place, guys. I am at the 1st place. Guys, other racer is a far distance from me, but he may come very quickly, guys. Guys, the finish line has arrived and I have won the race, guys. Guys, I have won the race. Even I have completed 3 stunts, guys. So I got 3 blueprints for this car which I have played. Guys, now this is the last race of today, guys. Guys, which I am playing is the last race of today. Guys, 1 minute. Money. Guys, you can see here I can get these tokens, 10 tokens. But first let's complete this one, guys. With this car, this is the last race of today, guys. If you are new to this page, you can subscribe to Inky Gaming for more, guys. I am even in Instagram, click on Inky Gaming Official for any post if you want it. Guys, if anybody wanted to join my club after I create, I will keep that. If anybody want to join in my club, you can send your IDs, guys, so that I will send you request, so that if you accept, you can join in my club, guys. Already I have my brother Shenmukh who is playing Asphalt 9 even in Free Fire, but he doesn't have any YouTube channel. If he has, I will tell you about him, guys. He is also a good player. If you want to play Free Fire you can play with my brother Hasa, guys. Guys, now we need to go very quickly. Guys, there will be police coming near me. I'm not done. Hit the
Guys,
button.
if you want to see Inky Gaming videos, smash the like for 10 million likes. You do that to low face rule.
Guys, when I have 500k subscribers, I will do the face reveal. When I get 500k subscribers, I will do the face reveal, guys. Immediately. Now let's go. I will make it as a live on YouTube. Guys, there are many policies. Two flip stairs, barrel rolls, 2 barrel rolls. Guys, still there is less than 1 minute. I need to finish the race and half the race I have covered, so I need to go very quickly. Guys, this policies are coming with me every second, guys. 3 knockdowns, guys. 4th one, guys. 4 knockdowns in a row, guys. Immediately you can see that. Guys, another knockdown, guys. Guys, another knockdown, guys. 7th knockdown in this race. I think 7th. Let's do still more. Another 2 in a row, guys. 3rd one, guys. Guys, I just 4 seconds. Guys, 1 second, guys. Guys, time is finished, guys. Guys, I am ran out of time, guys. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to Winky Gaming for more daily videos, guys. This is up to now. There will be other race tomorrow. Thank you, guys.